Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some basics about sacred geometry. In this video we're going to square the circle. Some of you who already are familiar with sacred geometry will say that's impossible. And they're right, but today I will show you a cool and elegant method to approach it to within a small margin. Without further ado, let's begin. Using the principles of sacred geometry, you begin every drawing with a dot. It has no dimension, and from here we can build the rest of the drawing. Now draw a horizontal center line. Now draw a circle. The dimension of your circle is not really important, because sacred geometry is about proportion and not so much about the scale of your drawing. The line intersects the circle at 2 points. Now, for your drawings to be very accurate, it helps to use your pencil to press down on the intersection, so you have a good basis to use your compass. Now you need to create the perpendicular line through the center of the circle. If you have another compass, use that, because you need the radius of the original circle to construct the square. Now, to draw the perpendicular line through the center of the circle, strike arcs from the intersecting points we've created. Make sure that the radius of your compass is set to be bigger than the original circle. And now we have 2 points which we can connect to be the perpendicular line. Now you can see we made 2 other intersecting points. Now from these 4 intersecting points we can start constructing a square using the compass with the radius of the original circle. Now that you have constructed the 4 corners of the square, you can draw the square. Now we need 2 other circles with half the radius of the original circle in the middle. Now there are different ways to accomplish this, but we will simply use the same method as before. Now adjust your compass to strike an arc from this point that just touches the smaller circles in the middle. Now do the same on the other side. Now you have created 2 intersecting points on the horizontal center line. Now if you adjust your compass from the center point to either of the newly created intersecting points, you can draw the circle with roughly the same circumference as the square. Now for a small bonus, we strike a small arc from the same point on the bottom to just touch the underside of the small circles. And this creates a pentagon, which we can draw in now. So that's the basic drawing finished. Now if we assume that the radius of the original circle is 1, we get the following proportions. Furthermore, we started this video to square the circle. Now at the beginning of this video I told you it wasn't possible. So the question is, how far are we off? Well, not much. Now it really fascinates me that with sacred geometry, with such a simple drawing, you can get such beautiful proportions. Now you can draw these drawings just because they're interesting, or you can use it to set up the proportions of your artwork, or to just create cool mandalas. much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. If you have a question or suggestion, leave a comment and I will try to answer as best as I can. It has been a while since I uploaded a new video, but it is my intention to start uploading again on a regular basis. I already have some cool content lined up for you, so see you soon.